Afternoon all, and welcome to AJ Stores Photography. Today I've got a bit of an exclusive for you. I've been handed the beta version of the new upload and product selection on the ClickASnap website. So I'm going to upload an image and I'm going to show you the difference, or how easier it is now to add products on the Pro account or the seller accounts. This is video 3 of the ClickASnap series I'm going to do. So I'm going to upload just a photo and then we'll go and have a look. And I'm just going to pick something pretty simple. There you go, we'll have that one. So while this is uploading, you can see the difference straight away from what it used to be to what it is. You've now got this section over here. It tells you basically it's currently uploading one image. You have albums and categories. Now, you say I had 4 photos, all similar. I could basically add it. I mean, it'll do it for this, so I could add it to, well, whatever it is. So it's a landscape. So straight away to put it in my landscapes. And then the categories for the site. So basically, what is it? Well, it's a landscape, so find landscape again. There you go, and there's landscapes. So there you go. That's easy enough done. I'll just go through and we'll do a bit of a title and description. No music in the background for this, so I'll have to hum, unfortunately, just while I do this. So I'll leave it at that for now. I can always go back and change things and add things. That's another thing about this site I like to do. You can go back, you can do whatever you want to do. So everything's been the same up to now, apart from this bit at the top. Like I say, if you had 4 items and you all wanted them in the same category, so you click on category and then you put it into there. Now this is their website categories that they have already on there. The albums bit is yours. You're the one who set the albums up. So in my case, I have landscapes, night photography, wildlife, aircraft, light painting, black and white photography, and transport. Obviously, you can see what I've put it in. Right, creating the products. This is the new bit as well. So create a product. You now create products from your photos while you are uploading. No need to wait. So if you add your EXIF file data and all that lot, and all this would be filled in automatically, you could basically start adding products. So let's go through what I usually add. Now I have spoken to Tom, and he said that one of the things that I like, or would like implemented on the site, would be to have a default for what you use the most or what you set the most. So these are the ones that I do, and it's basically just so you don't have to remember or have it written down somewhere what your prices are for certain items. So when I'm doing this, I've got to try and remember what I've set other products for. Right, the gifts part is pretty simple, straightforward. Photo mugs. So again, add product, go into gifts, go down to the next one, photo key rings. So you get 2 photo key rings. Oops, £60, that'd be expensive. Add products, go into gifts, photo fridge magnets. Yep. Gifts, fridge magnets, mouse mats, I mean, you can set yours to wherever you really want to. This is just, I'm just showing you what I do to mine, jigsaws. Right, so at the moment I've got 8 products created there. So all you've got to do then, I mean, you can go into the other products and you can do the rest of them. So you could add frame prints, wall display, shadow boxes. You can do all of them, it's up to you. But these are the ones that I only do for now. So click on save, your images are saved. Right, one successful, one failed. Now I spoke to Tom about this. There is a bug in the system, and it has something to do with the DPI. Now the DPI of this is 300, which is the industry, what they say when you export from Lightroom, set your DPI to 300 and you should be able to print, I think it's up to about 26 inches. It might even be more than that, but I'm not sure. But at the moment I've tried to do this 3 or 4 times and it's always come up as failed. Image is too small. But if you click through to the next lot, so all this lot is now up, it's there, all successful, it's happy with everything, proceed. So it's added the photo and it's added the products. Now if you click into it, there you go. So you have 1 download, 2 prints, so both prints are there. Yeah, both prints are there, so that's not a problem, and 5 gifts, which is what I've done. And that's it. That's as simple as that. Like I said, when I spoke to Tom about it, if we could do a default, so you always have the same price as a default, I think that'd be better than you not having to write anything down or try and remember what your prices have been. You can just have one price across the board. Now, when I spoke to Tom about it, he said that that's something that they could look into and it shouldn't be a problem to implement. But I'm no computer whiz. I take photos. It's down to them and the developers of the site to try and do these things. So that's the new system. It's easy to do. I can't see a problem with it. It makes life a lot easier, whereas you used to have to upload your photos, then come into this section, add products, then you'd have to go through it all. It's all on one screen now, and it'll just make things faster for you, for anyone else who's going to be selling on the site. So there you go, guys. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. John Stoves. See you later. Bye now.